Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to talk about how a villager can learn English language, right? How a villager boy or villager girl can learn English language. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learners, as we all know that English is really very good language, not only good language, and it's a kind of, you can say that, skill. Okay, if you know English language very well, so maybe it can help you to make your life better. That's why nowadays everybody is fond of learning this language. That's why we all want to learn English, right? So maybe many of you are villager, but you are not having proper idea how to learn a language, particularly English language, being a villager, right? So if I talk about myself, so I am Mahfuj from village. Means I am from village. I belong to village. No, like neither any cities nor from any town. But I learned this language from myself. But how I learned? Okay, so that's what I will be sharing with you. Dear learners, if I learn this language, so you too can learn this language. All right, so let me tell you very simple without any complexity, and if you follow my advice, so I can give you the guarantee, and this is for sure that you can learn this language 100%, right? And that is why are you complaining yourself that you are from village, he is from cities, or he is from any town, that's why he learned English? Not at all. It does not matter whether you are from village or you are from any city or any town. If you have the will and if you have the determination to learn this language, and if you are having positive thinking about English language in your mind, so of course there will be no obstacle in your journey to learn this language. All right, so first of all, make your determination, like make your purpose. Why do you want to learn English? This is the first point. And after that, if you, let's suppose right now, not suppose, it's very true, you are watching me like in your phone, right? So of course you are having a phone, so that phone, that resource is enough for all of you to learn this language. Yes, believe me, because when I started my journey to learn English language, so I started with my phone. All right, so if you are having your own phone, that is sufficient for you to learn English language. Do not worry more about this language, just take it easy as other language. Okay, just think English is just a language, not a rocket science. This is the second thing. And thirdly, what you need to understand, English can be learned from your phone too, because now this is the era of digitalization, where you can find everything which is available on the internet, which is available on the social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and there are many more things where you can get all the information whatever you want to get. So in the case of English language learning journey, no need to worry, just open your phone, go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and try to find there will be lot of tutors, lot of teacher, and many, many, you can say like guider. Okay, who will be telling you very perfect and static, I mean step static way from where you can learn this language. All right, so I am not asking you just to watch my like only my videos. You can watch anyone's videos just to improve your communication, just to improve your English, just to build up your English language. All right, so you just take help from your phone and do whatever you want related to English, but there is one condition: do what you want, but that should be in English language. Means you can watch videos that should be in English, you can play you can watch whatever you, if you like watching movies, you can watch movies in English, you can listen English songs, you can watch cartoon videos in English, you can watch motivational videos in English. Okay, whatever you think you are interested in, you go and start watching that in English. After some period of time, you will be feeling a kind of love, a kind of interest for English, and automatically you will be having your further way, further step, right? Let me tell you one more thing. If you are sitting in your bed and you are thinking you want to learn English, so you will not be able to see your way, means your way will be invisible, because you are not ready yet and you are looking for the next way. So how this is possible? Okay, let's suppose if I talk about myself now, so now I can see my ways are visible. My ways are visible. Why? Because I am already like taking the action. If I want to level up my communication more better, far more better, so I have the idea, I have the information, where should I go. So that's why if you want to improve your English, just take the action right now, immediately, and after that you will be able to see your way automatically. Okay, how to learn, where to learn, how to learn, how much should you learn. Yeah, all such thing you will be getting easily, automatically, but you should take the step ahead. All right. And as far as speaking partner is concerned, so no worry, first you start your journey, and after that, nowadays there are many more applications which is available on the Play Store. You can download many applications, many apps from where you can practice your English. So where it is hard, where it is hard, nowhere it is hard, just we are thinking English language learning journey is hard, but in reality it is not like that. Yeah, of course I can tell you it is not our mother tongue, it's not our native language, it's not our spoken language, so of course we can have a little problem. Okay, but no worry, let me, I am here for you to make this journey easy for you, right? As far as mother language is concerned, so it can be learned easily. Why? Because we have the environment. If you want to learn Bihari language, just go to Bihar and be there in that kind of environment. After some period of time, after few months, you can learn Bihari. But in the case of English, will you go to America? Will you go to Canada? No, not at all, because it's out of our budget, right? And it's not easy to go there simply. So of course, what you need to do instead of that, just you need to surround yourself in English. Whatever you want, you just do that. Go on. I'm not stopping you to not to watch movies, not to listen songs, not to play games. Do whatever you want, but that should be in English. That should be in English. Read books in English. Watch movies in English. Whatever you are, I'm not only telling you about watching movies. Whatever you want, you go and watch that, but that should be in English. If you love watching news, go watch news in English. If you love listening music, you go and listen to the English music. There are many more things where from where you can surround yourself with this language. And if you follow these suggestions, so believe me, these will be enough and sufficient for all of you, okay, to learn this language. So that's all about, it's all about yourself. It's up to you now, like how do you take the action, how sooner you take the action, right? I hope that you will enjoy watching this video, and from today and from now you are going to take the action. If yes, you are ready, so let me know in the comment section that you are gonna, you are going to start your journey from today, right? So if you find this video is helpful and interesting for you, so please support me. And once again, thanks for watching my video, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon, take care.